Today's tutorial, how to add, delete, and copy pages in your PDFs. Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to manipulate pages within your PDFs using IronPDF. So these pages right here are the PDFs in which we'll be working with. Let's move on to the Visual Studio. First, make sure you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project via the NuGet package manager. In our program.cs file, we'll start by setting up our license key to ensure that we have the full functionality of the IronPDF. Next, load the PDFs that you want to work with using the from file method from the PDF document class. In this example, we'll have a cover page and a content document as shown in the beginning. To add a page, we'll insert the cover page at the beginning of the content document. So this combines the two documents by placing the cover at the start. After adding the page, you can save the modified document with a new name, for example, PDF with cover.pdf. Next, let's move on to copying pages. You can copy a single page from a PDF into a new PDF object. So for instance, copying the first page of the content document into a new file called copy of page1.pdf. You can also copy multiple pages. For example, copying the first 3 pages of the content document into a new PDF file named copy of first 3 pages.pdf. All right, so let's run the project and wait for it to complete. All right, there you go. And you have all the PDFs that were desired. These operations allow you to manipulate your PDFs easily by customizing your PDFs by adding and copying pages, but you can also delete unwanted pages as well. So let's have a quick look at our code again. To delete pages from PDF, you can either call the remove page or remove pages method based on whatever you need. So open up the PDF document to which you want to make the changes using the from file method. Remove a single page using the remove page method and the page index number as an argument. To remove multiple pages, use the remove pages method by passing the page indexes as a list object. Additionally, you can save the document just as we did before for saving and copying pages. Well, that's it. Hopefully you learn how to copy, add, and delete pages in your PDF using IronPDF. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, give us a like and subscribe if you did. And we have a trial subscription if you need to check out our software. It's in the link in the description below. You can go to the website, download, install the package, and check it out yourself.